Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to talk to you all about chakras. I will also give you the functions of two of the main chakras and also provide you tips on how to activate them. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Shreya. I am a Reiki healer, a tarot card reader, an Angel Bliss practitioner, as well as an NLP coach. You might have heard about the word chakra. So, to put it in simpler words, chakra is a Sanskrit word which means the wheel. So, these are the energy circles or the energy points in our body. These are the spinning discs of energy which needs to be open and aligned as they help in functioning of various nerves and organs including the body parts which affects our physical and emotional well-being. Let me talk to you about the seven main chakras. The first one known as the root chakra or the Mooladhara chakra. The second one is the sacral chakra or the Swadhisthana chakra. The third one is the solar plexus chakra or the Manipura chakra. The fourth one, which is the heart chakra or the Anahata chakra. The fifth one, which is the throat chakra or the Vishuddha chakra. The sixth one, the third eye chakra or the Ajna chakra. The seventh one, which is the crown chakra or the Sahasrara chakra. So, as I told you earlier, I will be explaining to you about two of the main chakras. So, today I will talk about the root chakra and the sacral chakra. So, before that, let me tell you what happens if these chakras are blocked. So, when these chakras are blocked, one might feel lazy, fall sick, find issues in communication, and even the mental peace might be disturbed, and so on. But once these chakras are aligned and balanced, then you feel peaceful, you feel relaxed, you feel happy, and you even connect to your higher self. Let's talk about the root chakra. Root chakra or the Mooladhara chakra. The color of this chakra is red. It is located in the base of the spine and it has the earth element. This chakra balances the legs, hips, lower back, and male reproductive system. This chakra is a center of manifestation, security, safety, and the basic needs of survival like food, clothing, shelter comes from this chakra. The energy to succeed in business, service, and the potential to grow comes from this chakra. If this chakra is blocked, you may feel anxious, nervous, fearfulness, and low confidence, and physical problems like knee problem, arthritis, anorexia nervosa, obesity would be seen. And how to unblock this chakra or activate these chakras. Remove all the unwanted or negative thoughts from your mind. Eat red food. Since the color of this chakra is red, you can consume more of red food, wear red clothes, and you can keep yourself grounded. Now let us talk about sacral chakra or the Swadhisthana chakra. This chakra is located 2 inches below the navel. The color of the chakra is orange and the element is water. This chakra controls the kidneys, the large intestine, the female reproductive organs, and the bladder. This holds the basic needs of sexuality, intuition, self worth, and pleasure. If this chakra is blocked, you might find yourself emotionally explosive, manipulative, thoughts on sex, and even lack of energy. Physical problems like kidney problems, stiffness in your lower back, problems in your urinary bladder, constipation, such kind of issues might be seen. Now, how do you activate or balance this chakra? Keep your thoughts pure and clean as this leads to fearlessness. Have more of orange food, wear orange clothes, and connect with water element or be in and around water. Now it is time for you to analyze the condition of your chakras and work towards balancing or improving the health of your chakras and enhance the quality of your life. I will be speaking about the other chakras in my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also share it with your loved ones. And until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.